ProTinkerToys.com, and this is SC397, American's Finest Police Line Do Not Cross, and this is the 1978 Plymouth Fury, Tennessee State Police vehicle. And this is based on an Xtraction chassis, and I will show you what an Xtraction, that is an Xtraction chassis, and they are almost similar to the original Xtraction chassis. This is an original Xtraction chassis from 1965. Okay, the only thing that they changed really on these were the magnets. Notice where there's a magnet here on this one, and that's an they're called magnet traction, and this is called Xtraction. The Xtraction is because they have a magnet right here, which helps hold it on the track better. And all of the American Finest are Xtraction, okay? And this is SC397. Well, what the heck? We'll open one. I don't want to, but we will sell this as a sample because people love to buy our samples. During auction night, we'll auction these off. Okay, so this is a nice car. Nice paint job. Tennessee. They've got decals now on the back lights. Oh my gosh, where'd all these cars come from? There's a police. There's an accident. Oh no! Woo! Get out of my way! Woo! Get out of my way! Woo! Just sitting there. Here he's sitting, waiting for people to come by. There's a bus about ready to crash into the pond. He's just sitting on the highway, waiting for somebody to come by. And that is the 1978 Monte Carlo. No, not Monte Carlo. A Plymouth Fury. I think my dad had a Plymouth Fury in '78. I know that Mac. My stepdad, he always dealt with Plymouth, so he probably had the Plymouth Fury station wagon. That thing was like 50 feet long. Matter of fact, I had to get my driver's license on this '78 Plymouth Fury wagon. The thing was a boat. Unbelievable. ProTinkerToys.com. This is SC397. 397, and these are on Xtraction chassis from AutoWorld. AutoWorld's the finest, and you want to get AutoWorld, and you want to get everything you can at ProTinkerToys.com.